Why do I sneeze? A sneeze starts when something tickles the inside of your nose like dust or pepper. Your nose sends a quick message to your brain. We've got an invader. Then your body gets ready. Deep breath in, mouth opens. And achoo! Your body blasts the tickle out with a super sneeze. Sneezing helps keep your nose clean and healthy by blowing out the bad stuff. So next time you sneeze, say bless me. Your nose just did its job. Thanks for watching.